Good morning, guys. I'm going for an interview today. Hindi ko alam kung anong mararamdaman ko. Kaya nakabahan ako. Ilang gabi na akong walang tulog. Like, yeah. And, yeah. Kinakabahan ako kasi ito yung trabaho na gusto ko talaga makuha. Oh my gosh. Ano ko talaga siya, guys. Hindi ko alam kung ilang beses na ako nag-pray today. And, yeah. Like, alam ko, hindi ako yung pinaka-religious na tao sa buong mundo. Pero I do pray every single night. Like, every night talaga. Pero this past few days, na alam ko na may interview ko today. Like, hindi ko alam kung ilang beses na ako nagpipray sa isang araw. Kasi ito yung trabaho na gustong-gusto ko talaga makuha. And, sana makuha ko siya. Anyway, I'm gonna get ready. I'm gonna put some makeup on and then straighten my hair. Hindi pa ako nagbihis kasi I'm wearing a white top. And yeah. Kinakabahan ako. Oh my gosh, Lord, please help me. Anyway, mag-ready lang ako. Nandito na yung mga makeup ko. And nakakaloka yung aking mga ganap sa mukha. Kasi nga diba I mentioned na ilang gabi na ako na hindi maayos yung tulog ko. Iniisip ko tong araw na to. Marami na akong napagdaanan. Char, may ganon. I mean, nag-apply ako online, seek.com.au. So, ano siya, online, like, job search siya dito sa Australia. Nag-apply ako doon, and doon nakita ko talaga itong trabaho to. Sabi ko, hello, gusto ko siya. Like, gusto ko talaga siya. So, nag-apply ako, and marami kasi ako ina-applyan. Hindi naman as in sobrang dami. Pero like, you know, nagsasubmit ako ng resume sa, like, iba din. Pero ito yung trabaho na sabi ko, hala, sana makuha ko siya. Like, siya talaga yung nag-stuck sa utak ko na hala, sana makareceive ako ng email from them and ish like that. And then siguro after a day, nakareceive ako agad ng email na you need to complete this. So, aside from applying online, meron pa silang pinacomplete sa akin na more information pa. And then after that, the day after that, they asked me to answer questions online. So, it's kind of like an online interview. And I was like, oh my gosh. So, I filmed myself answering the questions. Like, parang YouTube lang, parang ganito lang. And then I sent the video to them. And then after that, I think after a day or two, tinawagan ako. And I was like, oh my gosh! Tinawagan ako. So, sobrang saya ko, guys. As in, sobrang saya ko. That's another interview on the phone naman. And, yeah. So, sabi niya, tapos ito, ano na ba to? Pang-apat na ba to na parang interview, no, not pang-apat, pangatlo na interview na ano na talaga siya, face-to-face na talaga siya. Tapos, merong mga activities na gagawin. So, merong like group interview tapos one-on-one, which I prefer. Mas prefer ko yung one-on-one kaysa sa group. Like, you know, para malaman talaga nila. And like, you know, para malaman talaga nila kung sino ka, you know what I mean? So, mas prefer ko yun. And yeah, that's the ganap today. And I'm nervous but I'm excited at the same time. Na parang feeling ko, ayoko mag-assume kasi. Pero sana. I have a good feeling about this, pero I'm not sure. Okay, kinakabahan ako, guys. Can you tell? I will put some makeup on and try to hide all these Mr. Pimps right here, like my face demons right here. Okay, talk to you guys later. I am done with my makeup. I think I went overboard sa aking brows. Napa-OA yung brows ko. When I was doing my makeup, yun talaga yung iniisip ko, yung interview lang talaga. Kasi ano pa ba yung iisipin ko, diba? It's gonna happen in 2 hours. So it's already 11:30 and Dan will pick me up. He's the best. Grabe, napaka-supportive ni Dan at saka yung pamilya niya. Sana talaga makuha ko to. Yeah, so he will pick me up 12:30 daw. Tapos, punta na kami doon sa building. I need to arrive 15 minutes early. So, kailangan nandun na ako. 1:15. 1:30 yung interview. So, we'll see. Naready ko na lahat na kailangan kong dalhin. Not lahat. Meron pa akong document na kailangan i-print ni Dan. So, dadalhin niya yun pagdating niya. Yung visa ko para to show them na meron ako unlimited working rights. So, yeah. I am ready! Hinihintay ko na lang si Dan. Kakatawag lang niya. He's like, I just wanna check kung okay ka. Kasi alam niya na sobrang nervous ako. Whew, I actually have been to one interview already, pero that one is just, I didn't like that one. I didn't really have, like, nung pumunta ako dun sa interview na yun, I was not nervous at all. Like, I was not nervous at all. It was a group interview. And I wasn't expecting anything from it kasi group interview and that's it. Hindi ko alam, before the interview, hindi ko alam na yun lang. Group interview lang. I thought na they will do individual interviews after, pero that was it, you guys. Like, group interview and there were 30 of us, I think, sa group. And we literally just went there, introduced ourselves, did some activities, and yun na yun. I was like, yun na yun? Paano mo malalaman na capable siya sa trabaho kung yun lang? Pina-introduce mo lang siya, you know? So, I wasn't expecting anything from it. And lahat ng nag-apply sa kanila online, pinaano nila sa group interview. That's why sobrang daming tao na pumunta, and I was just like, no, I'm not getting that job. Especially wala ako experience dun sa job na yun. Retail assistant siya, so I was like, no. And yeah, pero this time I'm really nervous because like parang niisip ko talaga, gusto ko to makuha tong trabaho na to, and if hindi ko siya makuha, I will be disappointed for sure. Prepare ko lang ang aking bag. Ito yung dadalhin ko sa ngayon. So, ito yung map na binigay sa akin ni Dan nung nag-date kami last night. And ito yung mga chocolates from last night. Nagpunta kami sa Niños Lamisita, diba? Yung Filipino restaurant. Meron sila nito. And sabi ni Dan, ilagay mo yun sa bag mo. Ayoko munang kainin yan. So, nilagay ko siya sa clutch ko. Ito yung clutch na ginamit ko noon. Yeah, that's from Zafo. And then, yeah, I'm ready. Yung phone ko, it's charging. So, yeah, whew. Si Dan darating in 20 minutes. So, I'm just wearing this top that I got from Tempt. And then, this skirt that I got from Target. Ito yung mga damit na binili ko sa shopping day namin ni Dan nung nagpunta kami ng Target. So, yeah, that's the reason why I went shopping. So nervous. This is it, babe. I'm so nervous. You will still love me if I don't get it.
I'll still love you. Doesn't bother me either way, babe.
Thank you. I want to get it so bad though.
Did I know? Have you told him?
Yeah, well, he knows by now that I want it so bad after what I said. Like, we were willing to reschedule something just for that. That should say something, huh?
I think so.
Yeah, right?
They ask you how bad you want it, we say, look, I'm prepared.
Yeah. Hi guys, nandito ako sa labas ng building and I'm not sure if I did well. I'm not sure. Naglast siya ng mga 3 hours, I think. So it started at 3 and you guys, ako yung pinakauna natapos. As in, ako yung pinakauna natapos. We started at 1:30 and now it's 3:30. So 2 oras lang pala. And ako yung pinakaunang natapos. Nakakaloka. Parang natakot tuloy ako. Bakit ako yung pinakauna? Yung iba nag-roleplay. And siguro mga 2 minutes after natapos na din yung isa, sabi ko, okay. Tapos na sila. And now I'm just waiting for Dan. Nandito ako sa labas ng building ng sana tatrabaho na ako dito. Sana. I actually really like the company. So I hope I get to work there. Nakakaloka. Kinakabahan pa rin ako. Pero at least tapos na. So I need to wait. Sa Monday daw tatawagan niya ako. And yung kinakabahan pa rin ako. Hintayin ko lang si Dan. Sige na, babe.
You look great.
Thank you.
You look really good.
Thanks.
I bet you were the best looking girl there.
Oh, shut up.
No, were you really?
Hey.
Oh, sorry, babe.
What the heck?
Were you the best looking girl?
No, I can't say that. We will go to the post office to ask kung magkano yung box na prepare ko para isend ko sa New Zealand. Kung sobrang mahal niya, ano ko, kukunin ko yung ibang nandun. Wait, I can't go out. We're home. Yung mababayaran ko is, how many kilos is that, babe? 6.1? 6.1. And it's $69, was it? Right? 67?
Yes, alright.
Yeah, ito yung rose na binigay sa... No, not rose. Orchids. Binigay sa akin nila. Ang pretty, diba? So pretty! So pretty. And it's alive and kicking. I will cook spaghetti Filipino style tonight. It's too early though. Yeah. It's only 4:30. So I'm not cooking yet. You're eating, babe?
Some cereal on my
Cereal. I'm cooking the sauce. Nandyan yung hotdog, pork, at saka yung spaghetti sauce. Asan na yung tinapon ko na guys? Pero yung Del Monte na sweet style spaghetti sauce. And yeah, I will cook that as soon as that's ready, or kapag malapit na siya maging ready, I will start heating or boiling water. Ibo-boil namin siya sa kettle para mas mabilis. So, ibo-boil namin siya dito, tapos ilalagay namin siya dito. And then, we will cook the pasta. So, that's that for now. And yeah, marami siyang mga splash. I'm pretty sure maraming mga red dyan after ko magluto. Kasi magsa-splash yung sauce. But that's alright. I am listening to Blair's story time. So, kapag nagluluto ako or may ginagawa ako, naglilisten ako ng mga story time videos kasi para hindi ko kailangan na manood talaga. So, yeah. We are almost done, guys. So, yan. Malapit na siya matapos. The sauce is done. Transfer ko lang siya dyan kasi mas malakas yung apoy dito sa gitna. So, yep. That's almost done. It's already 5 minutes to 7. So, perfect timing for dinner. Are you hungry, babe?
Yeah.
Okay. Almost done. Oh, done. Looks good. Kain tayo. Kain tayo, babe.
Oh, good, you did.
No, so, yeah. The rule here is to get the one on the first one. Yeah, we have rules. We have rules. The one here, I put the ones here. That means like I just refilled it or something like that. So, you get it, babe?
I got it.
Yeah, you're smart.
I'm a genius.
You did it right. Good job, babe. I'm in bed. Si Dan katapos lang maligo kasi tumakbo siya. I am uploading now our Valentine's Day date. So, yeah, na-edit ko siya kanina. And uploading na siya. And I want to show you guys what I did. I did something and I'm so proud na. Ano, makikita niyo naman sa video na yun. Yun yung first video na meron siya yung subscribe na gumaganon-ganon dito. Yeah, I think I have that now. Like right now. Merong subscribe na gumaganon-ganon. I'm just so proud. I did it. Now, kailangan ko lang mag-ano ng intro. Yung intro lang. Yung pag-aaralan ko. Actually, I will do that tonight. Pag-aaralan ko siya. And then, ayan, sana makuha ko yung trabaho. Babe!
Yeah.
The job. I said the job. I wanna get it.
If it's meant to be, it's meant to be. If it's not, there'll be another job.
Yeah. If it's meant to be, it's meant to be. If it's not, there's another job. You're right, babe.
It's true. It's not the only job in the world.
It's not the only job in the world. You're right. It would be great if I get that one, though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It would be, but it's not the end of the world.
It's not the end of the world. You're right. Anyway, I will close this vlog. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please like, please subscribe. I hope to see you guys tomorrow. Do not forget to be good. Good night, babe.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night.